Hello everyone, today I will discuss about minerals and another important group of micronutrients that they are very important for the body to stay healthy. Minerals are natural substances that found in food that help our body to grow, develop and function properly. Now let's have a look on importance of minerals that they play in our body. Strong bones and teeth. Calcium and phosphorus make our bones and teeth strong. Blood formation. Iron helps make hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in our blood. Muscle and nerve function. Minerals like potassium and magnesium help our muscles move and our nerves work properly. Water balance. Sodium helps control the balance of fluids in our body, boosting immunity. Zinc supports the immune system and helps wounds heal. Energy production. Some minerals help in turning the food we eat into energy. Healthy skin and hair. Minerals like selenium and zinc keep our skin and hair healthy. In short, minerals are small, but they do big jobs. To stay healthy, we should eat a balanced diet which include fruits, vegetables, meat, grains, and many other things, all rich in nutrients.